In this video, I'll show you how to fix no network or no service problem on Samsung phone. So if you're getting no network issue on any Samsung phone, then here's a step-by-step guide to fix the problem. But before I start the video, if you're new to this channel, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel because it really helps me out. Was not to fix the problem, first thing first, you just need to check out some of the important settings. Open up the settings app from your Samsung phone, and from the home page, you just need to tap on connection at the very top, and then simply go and tap on mobile network. And then simply go and tap on network mode for the SIM cards. You just need to make sure you have selected the right SIM card. And if you selected with the 3G or 2G, you just need to make sure you have selected the LTE, 3G or 2D, the auto connect, the first one, the highest frequency that your device does support. And once you have select that, go ahead and tap on network operators at the bottom right here and select your SIM card and make sure the set automatically is enabled. If it disabled, you might have this kind of problem. And once you're done with this simple settings, you just need to get back from here and restart your phone once. And let's say you did this process but you still have the problem, then all you can do, you can eject your SIM card and wait around 10 to 20 seconds, and after that insert back again and see if that fixes your problem or not. If none of these steps work, then follow this process. Open up the settings app once again from your phone and then scroll down and tap on account and backup here, and at the bottom you'll get to see the reset. You just need to tap on reset and then scroll down, tap on reset mobile network settings, and from this page just go ahead and select the SIM card that you're having problem with, and once it gets selected, go ahead and tap on reset settings at the bottom right, and this might ask you to enter your phone passcode. And once you have done that, all your mobile network settings will be resetted and it will get back to the default, and most likely your problem is going to be solved. But if none of these steps work, this might be a hardware issue. In case, you just need to take your phone to the service center in order to get further assistance. Hope you find this very helpful, guys. If you do, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. Or if you have any question, please let me know in the comment section. I'll see you guys around, and thank you very much for watching.